Hi, I'm John with Software Toolbox. I'm here to talk with you today about how we work with in-source solutions to help users, integrators, and OEMs assure project success when working with partner products. We found over our 22 years that there's 5 factors that affect the success of projects with partner products. Number 1 is, are the products tested? Not just quality tested internally, but more importantly, have they been interoperability tested with Wonderware or any of the applications you intend to use them with? Number 2, can you talk to people before you buy the product who know what they're doing? Can you get a demo? Can you try it out beforehand? And while you're trying it out, can you go back and talk to those people who are the experts and get their help? Which lets you get a feel for how responsive that supplier is. Because at the end of the day, your profitability, your success is based on this responsiveness and dedication of all the people working with you. So let's look at how we have done this for the last 22 years. Software Toolbox brings together a wide range of products, and that variety is one part of it. But you can get the individual products anywhere. What you can't get is the unique variety that we offer, and then the knowledge that we bring together. The knowledge of interoperability with Wonderware, with our own products, to make it all come together. And then back it with a support team that's built trusted relationships with users in over 100 countries around the world and on all 7 continents. Those 3 things adding up together are how we reduce risk, which leads to assuring success. Let's have a look at a few of the products quickly. TopServer is an OPC and I/O server that in one application brings together a wide range of connectivity, lots of different device types, even other drivers. Why this matters for you and the way this saves you money is it reduces your training cost. It's less you have to learn, and that means less risk. Deep functionality in the product helps you address all those details, which we all know in projects, that's where the money is won or lost, is in paying attention to the details. And then a commitment to standards ensures that interoperability because you need investment protection. You don't want to buy something and then be stuck 5 years later when something changes and have to go do all of that again. And with that standards base, that's how we provide that investment protection. Here's an example of the list of all the types of drivers that we have, talks to thousands of devices. The benefit to you of that, again, is one place to go, one partner, one user interface to learn for all of these device types. For the other device types that aren't on that list, and yes, there are some, but you need to get that data into your Wonderware solutions, things like barcode readers, weigh scales, printers, you name it. It's all that stuff that has a serial or Ethernet interface, and you want to interface it. Well, the way people usually solve this are some of the things you see on the screen here. Well, the problem is none of those from a financial perspective have a total cost of ownership that really plays out nicely over a 10-year life cycle. There's a lot of risk associated with them, and they just don't provide an optimal solution. The OmniServer product is a tool that is configured without writing any code, which means your cost of actually implementing the product is lower than a custom solution. Whether you're implementing it, an integrator is, or you're using in-source consulting services or ours, you'll have a lower cost of ownership and an overall better solution in the long run. Galaxie Toolbox is a product about reducing your engineering costs through importing CAD drawings, Visio drawings, any type of vector drawing that may have information about the configuration of your application embedded in that drawing, and then automatically configuring the Wonderware system platform, doing this much faster than if you did all this by hand. LGH File Inspector is a tool about leveraging your existing installed base of InTouch. The Wonderware product has been around for over 30 years now. Many of you may have existing Wonderware systems that you'd like to get some of that data out of those local history files. The LGH File Inspector can do that, unlock that hidden meaning, which may help your business reduce cost, improve quality, but also help you as you migrate forward to newer tools so you can leverage latest technology. And lastly, the Cogent DataHub is a solution to deal with data that maybe is coming from non-PLC types of devices. All sorts of other systems, bring it together into a standards-based solution, because then you can integrate it with your Wonderware system, you have investment protection from that use of standards, and you have a single tool that helps you wrap it all together. So hopefully you've now seen how Software Toolbox in partnership with InSource brings all these tools together with a proven methodology for implementation to assure your success. For more information, contact InSource Solutions at the number shown on the screen.